I'm the CEO of Grow. We're a digital agency, or more specifically we're a digital growth agency. So we focus on delivering strategies such as web development, but also the full strategy around digital marketing in order to help companies to grow. So we're very focused on the bottom line, which strategies are generating the highest return on investment, and so we often do strategy revisions where we identify if a specific channel is working well, we'll invest more in that, and if a specific channel is not working well, we'll cut it out. It's a great opportunity to come away from the daily hustle and bustle and just focus on what's most important, really. Because when you're running a business, it's really easy to get caught in the daily stuff, and it's very hard to have the discipline to come away from that on a regular basis. So it's a great opportunity to come here and get that guidance as well to create the plan in the most effective way. It's kept us focused. It's kept us with our eyes on the goal. Before we were just drifting through, really. We had a goal, but we'd never written it down. And also, not just in terms of the focus, but also in terms of learning. We've learned a great deal about the importance of putting in systems and like designing the business so that we can move away from it and it will run without us. Essentially it's transformed our business, because before we had no idea about all these systems. You just don't know what you don't know, and now that we do know, it's really made a big impact on our business. One big one is KPIs. It took us a long time to figure them out for each employee, but we've got that cracked now, and we've also applied them to a dashboard now, which is great because now we can see very clearly who's performing and who isn't, and we can address problems that come up way before they actually show their ugly head as a problem. So that was a big one. Also, I mean, in terms of time management is huge, especially when you're in a startup kind of environment, or if you haven't had training like this. You spend so much time fighting fires and doing stuff that really should be delegated, and so being aware of that and being able to control our time and put that finite resource into its best possible use, that was kind of an eye-opener as well. I found out on a social media advert, I think. It offered a free consultation, and I clicked on it, not thinking anything of it, and then Mataza gave me a ring and sunk his claws in, and I couldn't get away.